Hello, everybody. Today is PE Day. We're going to do our third and final underhand rolling lesson. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Today's learning objectives are: I can describe and demonstrate the 4 cues to the underhand roll. I can describe how it can be more accurate when underhand rolling. We're going to talk about that word today, accurate, and what it means. And I can use knowledge from other PE lessons to help perform the underhand rolling movement. Now, it's time for our warm-up, so we're going to do a fun little brain break, would you rather. So everybody stand up, push your chair in, and let's get started.
Game of springtime, would you rather? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great games. In this game, you will have 10 seconds to choose between 2 options of springtime activities, and then 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Here we go. Would you rather take a hike or have a picnic? If you said take a hike, you get to run in place. And if you said have a picnic, you get to do squats. Would you rather play golf or play baseball or softball? If you said play golf, you get to dance the floss. If you said play baseball or softball, you get to do standing elbows to knees. Once the weather gets warmer, would you rather stay bundled up and warm, or would you have your shorts on right away? If you said bundled up and warm, you get to punch the speed bag. And if you said shorts on ASAP, you get to do jumping jacks. Would you rather dig for worms in the garden or catch some tadpoles at the pond? If you said dig for worms, you get to balance on 1 foot. If you said catch some tadpoles, you get to do squat punches. Would you rather play in the rain or play in the mud? If you said play in the rain, you get to balance in star pose. If you said play in the mud, you get to dance the dance of your choice. Would you rather ride a bike or rollerblade? If you said ride a bike, you get to do a squat hold. If you said rollerblade, you get to dance the robot. Great work, my friends. Hey, it's time for a Yoo-Hoo shout out. Shout out to Mrs. Washington's 2nd grade class.
Great job, everybody, on that warm-up. Now, let's review the cues from the last 2 underhand rolling lessons. Remember, our first cue is the ready position. Teachers have students show you their ready position. The second cue is arm back. The third cue is step with the opposite foot. So if you're rolling with your right hand, you're stepping with your left. Notice how I did that. If you're rolling with your left hand, you will be stepping with your right. And the last cue is bend and roll. So, the first cue is ready, the second cue is arm back, the third cue is step opposite foot, and the last cue is bend and roll. Now, it's time for equipment. Teachers, please take this time to pass out equipment to students. Each student will need one piece of paper. You may need to pause the video to give yourself time to give each student a piece of paper. Okay, students, freeze. When you get your paper, please make it into the best paper ball you possibly can, and then place it on your desk and wait for further instructions. When you see this screen, you will need to put your paper ball on your desk and freeze. Now, let's practice our first challenge. We are going to try to roll in between the legs of our chair. You are going to use the 4 cues of ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. We are going to do this challenge for 2 minutes. So everybody get your chair set up and get ready. You have 2 minutes. Use those 4 underhand rolling cues of ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. Good luck. See how many you can get. Your time starts now. Great job, everybody. Okay, everybody freeze. Let's get ready for our next challenge. Teachers, please place students in pairs. Students, you're going to work with a partner. You're going to take one chair and turn it upside down, like you see in the GIF. You are going to take turns rolling at this chair for 2 minutes. You're going to remember, use those 4 underhand rolling cues with your partner. Ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. You'll have 2 minutes. Everybody get ready. You and your partner should be ready. Everybody get set. Go. Good luck. Okay, great job. Everybody freeze. Now, while you're with your partner, you are going to place one more chair on the ground. You will have two in a row that looks just like this on the screen. You and your partner will have 2 minutes. You will take turns and you will be competing against one another. This should be a fun competition for you both. Remember, use those 4 underhand rolling cues. Ready, arm back, opposite foot, and bend and roll. You will have 2 minutes. You and your partner should now have 2 chairs on the ground. Everybody get ready. Your timer starts now. Good luck. Okay, great job. Everybody freeze. Now, you and your partner are going to compete against the class for this challenge. So, we will have the same setup with our 2 chairs. You both will take turns. You will have 2 minutes. Remember, use those 4 underhand rolling cues. Ready, arm back, opposite foot forward, and bend and roll. Teachers, have students count with their partner and see who in the class was able to win this challenge. You'll have 2 minutes. Everybody, good luck. Okay, great job. Now, it's time for a fun and unique challenge. You and your partner are going to compete against the class, except there's one exception. You both will be using your non-dominant hand. So, if you have been rolling with your right hand up until this point, you will use your left hand now. Still, remember those 4 underhand rolling cues. Ready? Arm back, step opposite, bend and roll. Remember these cues if you are having trouble. Teachers, you may need to help some students with this. You will have 2 minutes. You and your partner will both be using your non-dominant hand, and you are going to compete against the class. Everybody get ready. Your timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Okay, and now our last challenge. You are going to compete with your non-dominant hand against your partner in your space. Take turns. You have 2 minutes, and let's see between you two who could get the most successful attempts. Remember, use ready, arm back, opposite foot, and bend and roll. Your timer starts now. Good luck. Great job, everybody. Before we go, what do you think of your ability to perform the 4 underhand rolling cues now that we have had 3 lessons of practice? Is it a green thumbs up for great? Is it an orange sideways thumb for okay, but I still need some more practice? Or is it a red thumbs down for I need a lot of practice? Teachers, please see what students select. And great job, everybody. This was an awesome unit, and I know you guys put forth your best effort. Great job in our underhand rolling lessons. Next week, we are going to practice a little bit more, and we're going to start some dance. Yes, that's right. We're going to start dancing. I'll see you guys next week. Great job.